Hey guys, this is Mjavedva with another quick tip to know whether how you can migrate or move to Teams from Skype. Well, Microsoft is shutting down Skype in May and migrating Skype users to Teams. Lately, it was informing the Skype users about this change by showing a message on Skype. Now it's allowing them to move to Teams. So to migrate from Skype to Teams, open Microsoft Teams app if you already have it. And if you haven't, you can download it by visiting their website. Anyhow, to migrate from Skype to Teams, click on Start using Teams, which will open Microsoft Teams app on your system. And will ask you to sign in using your Skype credentials. Here, click on Next if you are agree with it. Now, just click on Get Started to start migrating your chats and contacts to Teams. Here, allow Microsoft Teams to access your device camera and microphone by clicking on Yes. Now, click on OK to start using Teams. And here you can see that all your chats and contacts have been moved to Teams successfully. Moreover, you can join Teams Insider program if you want to get early access to new features and updates. So to join the Teams Insider program, click on this ellipsis icon and click on Teams Insider program. Or you can go to Settings and then click on Teams Insider program. Here, just click on Join and then Restart. It will restart it and then click on Let's Go. Now you can start using Teams. And this is how you can migrate or move to Teams from Skype. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.